In 2014, a man named Ronald Read passed away. A humble janitor, worth $8 million. The question everyone asked was, how? His secret wasn't a complex strategy. It was a force of nature, visualized as a tiny snowball at the top of a very long hill. For the first few years, the growth was almost invisible, painfully slow. This is where most people quit. They give in to the temptation of now, the new car, the fancy vacation. But Ronald ignored the temptations. He just kept rolling. And after decades, that tiny snowball became an unstoppable avalanche of wealth. He didn't chase money. He let time do the heavy lifting. To understand the explosive power behind Ronald's fortune, we need to think differently about growth. It's not a straight line. It's a launch sequence. There's an old story of an emperor who promised a wise man any reward. The man asked for just 1 grain of rice, doubled on every square of a chessboard. The emperor laughed. It sounded like nothing. After 1 week, he had a handful of rice. After 2 weeks, a small bag. For the first 20 days, the amount was disappointingly small. This is where most people lose patience and quit. But then, the doubling took over. What started as a handful became thousands, then millions, then billions, in just a few final steps. The amount of rice from the last square alone was more than all the rice produced in the entire history of the world. A handful became a mountain, seemingly overnight. That shocking final jump, that is the magic of compounding. That shocking final jump in the rice story is the secret to Ronald Read's fortune. But it also reveals the single greatest villain you will ever face in your financial life: impatience. We are wired to hate the slow, boring start. We get distracted by the promise of fast money, the meme stocks, the get-rich-quick schemes. We see a scary news headline and we panic. We break the chain. Ronald Read's true genius wasn't in picking stocks. It was his mindset. He was a master of doing nothing. He defeated the villain of impatience every single day for 50 years. He let the doubling do its work. So, what is the blueprint? It's not a secret stock tip or a complex formula. It's the two things the wise man and the janitor both understood. Step 1. Start building. It doesn't matter if you start with any amount, $5 or $5,000. The first action is to buy assets, things like stocks and funds that have the potential to grow and work for you. Then, put that process on autopilot. Automate your investing so it happens every single month without you even thinking about it. Step 2. Stay the course. This is the mental battle. You must learn to think in decades, not days. You must ignore the noise. That means ignoring the daily panic from the news and the hype from social media. And above all, once the growth starts, never interrupt it. If you're ready to build your blueprint for financial freedom, subscribe to the channel and let's start designing your future together.